Meaning of fine art.
Fine art.
Fine art.
Fine art.
Fine art. Fine art typically refers to artistic works that are created for aesthetic or intellectual purposes, rather than purely utilitarian or practical ones. These works are often intended to be experienced primarily for their beauty or emotional power, rather than for any specific function. Examples of fine art include painting, sculpture, printmaking, photography, and other visual media, as well as literature, music, and performance art. Fine art can also refer to the study and practice of these disciplines, as well as to the institutions and organizations that support the creation and dissemination of art.